Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect Instagram or like Spotify and fix can't share to Instagram problem. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're facing such problems, like you need to go to Spotify, and if you're willing to share any of your music to Instagram, and when you tap on the share button you are facing problems like can't share to Instagram, then all you can do is simply go and tap on your settings. And once you're in your settings, go to the section called apps. So once you're in your apps, you can simply search for like Spotify, and once you search for Spotify you can simply clear its cache. Once you clear it cache and simply find like the force stop option, you can simply apply it. You can do the same thing to Instagram app as well. You need to check your internet connection, and if you have any of the updates, you can simply update your app. Now you need to grant full permission to your Instagram and Spotify, and this problem can be resolved. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.